Hello everybody, I'm Golden Dragon Man X, and today you'll see I have a mess of squares on my screen because we're going to be working in 2D. I've wanted to mess around with 2D GUI stuff in Roblox for a while now, and got some free time recently, and I put together some basic movement and physics and things so that we could have sprites and whatnot in a Roblox GUI. So this is all a Roblox GUI. All of the physics are being done by this code, which is long. Well, it's not too long, but it's some dense code doing all the math and whatnot, so that I can interact with all these pieces. I can take things and move them around. So if I were to, grab, let's see, this and make a copy of it and move it over here, and then make another one, move it over here. Then when we play, it'll interact with that. It's all soft coded and whatnot, so it's nice. It's easy to work with, change things around, make new levels and whatnot. So what I want to do with this, I've been thinking about for a while, and I thought, well, why not make Bootleg Mario? Let's see what kind of knockoff nonsense we can make. I'm gonna try to avoid some intellectual property though, so that'll be fun. But otherwise, yeah, we're going to create Mario level using this physics system I've created, and hopefully it'll be a little bit chaotic and fun. So there are some basic things I need to put together. I'm going to start by getting rid of a good portion of this stuff. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a coin first. I figure that's probably a very basic item, and so we're going to start by making a coin. Now, if I'm going to make a coin, I need to make a sprite for the coin, and I'm not just going to use the sprites from Super Mario Brothers. So I'm going to open up paint.net and create a coin sprite. So I'm going to begin by doing that. I am not experienced with pixel art, so don't expect anything great from me. There we go. It's a happy little coin. I like this. Alright, so this is going to be our coin sprite. I will save it as... Well, no, I can't save it as this because Roblox decals like to blur all your pixels together. So I have to resize it to something massive. Alright, so I've uploaded the file. It should be in my images. There it is, the coin. It's not showing up yet because it hasn't been moderated or whatever. I need to get an image labeled. And this will be our coin. I'll keep the size of the sprites, the general size is 100 by 100 pixels, and I won't bother lining anything up too much. Here. Wait, no, I grabbed the wrong image label. It's not what I wanted to do. This is the image label I want. No, this one. Working with Roblox GUIs is very frustrating at times, even with this new system they've implemented, which is really nice. That's one of the reasons I wanted to take on the challenge of making something completely 2D in Roblox using only GUIs. But let's see, we need to grab the URL, or the URL for this asset, and put it in. There we are, and then we need to make this one so that it's transparent. We have a coin, great. So now, if I go into test mode, we can have some interaction with it. We probably will just stand on it right now because there's no code in it. I don't have any code for interacting with items, so that's something we're going to have to put in. Let's see. So yeah, right now we can just interact with the coin, which is alright. I mean, that's cool. Alright, so we got a coin. I'm probably going to put in... I have one thing. It's called what is it? The no collide. If I put this inside of an item, then you walk right through it. So I'll put that in the coin so that the player will walk right through it. And I'm going to make the coin z-index. 1's fine. I'll make it 2. Now we need to put some code in this coin. So I've got to jump in here. No, first I'm going to put in... I'm going to write the code that actually goes in the coin. I need a score. Goodness, I don't have any of these things in place. that'll be our score. Our score is currently 0. There we go, I like that. That looks good. Okay, that's our score, and then we just need to edit the score with the coin. I'm going to name the coin coin. I'm going to put in a local script. And we're going to get to work on this. Oh goodness, I need a coin sound. I will just grab one from here. The Roblox library. Coin. Nope. 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 Yeah, I like that. Alright, so there's the code inside of the coin, and then I need to go into here and add a thing into the collision system that says to look for this event inside of coin, or inside of anything it touches for that matter, to see if it needs to run it. So I'm going to save, and then I'm going to see what happens when I hit this. We're going to see if we got this first try. That'd be awesome if we did. I have completely broken all of the code. And now I'm good. That's all I had to do. And nothing happened. Oh, that's why nothing happened. Because I have it as a no collision. And if there's no collision, you can't collide with the coin. Wow, see, so I'm glad we started with something as simple as a coin. Because it's hard enough to make this. There we go, we have 1. I forgot to change the other thing. Also, this is in the way. Oh, nope, it's gone. Okay, cool. I've got to add this to the beginning of all my velocities. This is messy code. Goodness, is this messy code? But it's code. It's gonna do what it needs to do. I think that'll work. Let's see. Let's see if I messed everything up. I have backups of this code. Worst case scenario. Let's see what happens. Oh, good. I can still interact with the floor. That's right. Can I interact with the side? I can. Can I interact with the coin without bouncing off of it? Yes! Excellent. Now I just want 1,000,000 coins. Because we all know how great coins are. Let's see. Just make tons and tons of coins. All the coins. All of them. This has also helped me test to make sure the collisions are really working for all the different sides. Oh, I did not line those coins up. They are slightly askew. Wonderful. It doesn't matter. Coins aren't lined up with anything else anyways. Yep, I can grab coins from every angle. And it's fantastic. Excellent. So I'm going to get rid of all these coins except for the one I was working with before. And we get to move on to our next sprite that we've got to make. Now, what is the next sprite we're going to make? No, not open. I'm going to make a the character, because we need our Italian plumber, our bootleg Mario, and we get to decide what he's going to look like. So let's see. This is based on, or not based on, but this is generally the sprite size and everything of this first Super Mario Brothers. And that's generally what I'm basing things on, so we can make a Mario like that. Now, I'm not going to look at an image as a reference. I've got to make this. I've got to make this myself, my own Mario. He looks so sad. It's not what I wanted. Mario, why are you so sad? Here, what if I... No, that's not what I want either. He needs to have an eye. And he needs to not have such a big mustache. Now he just looks like he's smiling. Well, at least he's having a good time now. I can be happy with that. Let's give him a hat. In case it isn't obvious, I am not a master of pixel art. And in the first Mario Brothers, when he stands there, he just sort of got his arms out to his sides, like he's a Wild West gunslinger. So that's what we're gonna keep with that theme, and have his hands down at his sides. And that's good. He's not reaching all the way to the sides. What happens if I just do this? Just make him wider. No! Pixelated. There we go. Now his collisions will be a bit more reasonable. Goodness, I need to fix his pants. That is not acceptable. He cannot have legs that thin. There we go. There's our Mario. So but we need 3 different Marios. We need a lot of different Marios. We need a Mario standing. We need a Mario running. We need a Mario falling. So let's save this as Mario stand, and then I will continue on and make the rest of the Marios. There we go. That's a good Mario walk-in. So that's Mario Walk 1. Perfection. That's what this is. This is perfection. Should I make him look scared? I should. Yeah, there we go. Mario fall. Perfect. So we got Mario walking, and that's not bad. All right, we got Mario walking. We got Mario falling. We got Mario standing. When he falls, his jump animation will be the same as his fall animation because I'm lazy. And we'll get back to this shortly. All right, I've uploaded all of my Marios. Which we need a new name for him because he can't be Mario because this is Bootleg Mario. He needs to be like Super Pasta Man or something. So I need to go into this script and create a new thing here. And I'm just gonna change his ideas. Actually, first of all, I need Mario stand to be. Actually, I'm gonna start him off on Mario fall. And let's see. That's the coin. That's not Mario. Mario. Let's see. There it is. Let's see our guy. Let's see him. Let's see him. There he is. We got Mario. So we got Mario, and we need. I need to open up the script. Do I have to upload a decal of him every time he's facing a different? All right. So we have properly added all the Marios now. I need to refresh it. Yeah, it was. I needed Mario's facing the other direction because I don't know how to make decals turn around. There's probably a way to do it, but I don't know what it is. Also, these ones are already approved, despite the fact that I uploaded them just a few seconds ago. Weird. A couple of these probably won't be approved because Roblox's moderation system is cruel and random. Anyways, I've got to put in... I'm just going to make a bunch of messy if statements for which way Mario should face based on his velocity. Alright, there. That should handle all that. Let's give this a test. Let's give this a nice old test. Alright, so the code's in place, and he's a speedy lad. Oh, he doesn't... Oh, I did something wrong there. He doesn't walk to the... He just slides to the... in that direction. Also, now that he's walking, it looks a lot more jittery when he walks, but that's okay. Let's see. So yeah, we got Mario. I like that, actually. The speediness of his feet. Oh, I might fix that later. Oh wait, she didn't turn around properly. That's not good. Okay, I need to fix that as well. Alright, that should be everything. I'm gonna save it. And we're gonna give it a test. Let's see what happens. I forgot an end. Where? So Mario can... He walks in all the directions. And there we go. He walks. We got a walking Mario. A Morio. Sorry, I named him Morio. We got Morio. He can walk on this white block. He got the coin. It went into his score. And that's very nice. Very, very nice. Let's stop with this. What's next on my list? Need to make a question mark block. That'll be our next thing. We gotta make a question mark block. So we will go and we will make the asset for that. New 16 by 16. What character should we put in the box? I'm gonna put... So there's the letter A. I don't want that though. I want... What about the @ sign? Now you can hardly tell what it is. Ampersand? No. Asterisk. I'm gonna put a face in it. Oh, this just looks wonderful. This is exactly what I'd want to run into in the woods at night. Oh no! That's really well. I said I wasn't gonna spend much time on this, so this is all I'm gonna do. Is creepy face coin block. Perfect. That's what we're doing. Okay, wait, I realized that I made this guy, but when you hit a coin block in Mario, it turns into a normal block, so I need to actually make the normal block texture now. There we are. Cool. That's going to be our dead block. Alright, perfect. Now for this block, this is slightly more complicated than the coin. I'm gonna make a coin and I'm gonna name this item block. I'm not a fan that the yellow's slightly different than the coin's yellow. I should have copied the coin yellow. That's okay. This is Bootleg Mario after all. We're not here for quality. Let's give this a test. I have a feeling it's not going to work first try. Also, coin item block differs in the index greater than that of the coin. What? Now let's see if this works. Hope it does. Touch general is not a valid member of image label. I think it should work out. Okay, it seems to have worked, I think. I'm gonna make more of them, because I'm skeptical. Goodness, is that just an unpleasant color? Good grief. Even our Mario looks better than that. Can Mario get up there? He can't. It's too difficult for him. Because he's the exact size of the opening. He can't really fall through there. Interesting. This is an interesting problem. I'm going to have to make Mario slightly smaller than a person. Let's see. Let's make Mario smaller. Instead of 100 by 100, let's make him like, what, 80? By 80? See, now our Mario is much smaller than the world around him. It's kind of a shame. It works much better, but he just looks too small. Okay, so I'm going to have to make... I'm going to have to make some changes. See how Mario does. We fixed his collisions. Oh, that's much better. Yeah, that's much more. Nice. I think he needs to jump a little higher. I'm going to increase his jump height to like 28. Alright, so we have coin blocks. Technically we have normal blocks now because I can just insert the block without anything else. We've got coins. What's next on my list? Goombas. Ooh, so we're going to have to make Goombas next. Let's head into here, and let's start making our Goomba sprite. I need to make a new thing. Now, are Goombas going to be Goombas is the question, and I think so. This is Bootleg Mario. This isn't our own game. This Goomba's sad. This poor lad, look at him. He's not having a good time of things. That's not a bad sprite right there. Alright, I'm gonna get this uploaded and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I actually took you can probably tell by the clock on my computer, I took a kind of a long break. And now that I'm back, there's a global pandemic. So I have lots of time to work on Bootleg Mario. What I'm gonna do to make the Goomba is I'm actually gonna make a copy of Mario. And just... that was not what I wanted to do at all. Is it really not going to let me move? Yeah, it's not. It's just like that. You can't move. You can't move Mario as a whole. You got to move him using this. Thank you, game. I can't type. It's been too long since I did this. Probably missed some like crucial aspect of this dude, But let's see what happens to the goober. What? What on earth? Oh, wait. I've left it in code that I should not have left in, but that, I just find that completely hilarious. Let's see. Yeah, he does that. Is he starting going in the wrong direction? Did I accidentally legitimately do this wrong? Because he has the right behavior, but is he going in the wrong direction? No, he starts going to the... Okay, that's cool. So, let's see. I wish I had, like, I could move this more easily. Alright, but I gotta use the code. Oh, joy. Let's see. 400. Let's make this 400. 500, 600, I don't know. The Goomba, and then... Now let's give it a proper test. And he's just gone. Also, I forgot that there's I have a sprint programmed into this, so he can make Mario run faster, which is good because otherwise he's a bit slow. All right, so we got a Goomba. Now you'll notice the Goomba doesn't kill anybody yet. I'm gonna put in his. Let's see. So I have in the coins. Touch general. No, I want the item block. Item block has touch lower. So let's see if I can remember how I programmed this. I'm trying to remember what any of this does. Why is it plus 15? Does it actually legitimately give you 15 points when you get a coin? I know the Goomba's gonna get all buggy now, but... No, it says 1. So why is it... say plus 50. Oh, it does. Is that just legitimately a typo? Why does it give you that much points? That's not okay. That's not normal. Here, when you kill a Goomba, I'll give you 5 points. Sure, but this coin block, all of these item blocks have the same script, right? I can just edit them all at once. Let's see. So, yeah, they changed this to a 1. Why is it a 15? Maybe I'll when I'm editing this, I realize, oh, that's why it was a 15, and I just messed everything up, but I'm going to change it anyway. Coin sound play? Sure. Well, no, we need a Goomba death sound. And so we have to delve back into the horrendous audio library that is the Roblox audio library. Ugh. Let's see, what is it? What do we want? Just like a bonk. I put this in, it's probably gonna be music. Nope, actually, surprisingly, it's not all by Roblox. Okay, yes, this is my favorite sound effect ever. So this is exactly what it's gonna be, and I'm making it full volume too. Yep, that's what it's gonna be. I don't even need to keep looking. I thought maybe we would be the victims of the terrible Roblox audio system again, but no, that is perfect. Yeah, I think that's everything we need to do. I'll save it. Let's give this a try. Or he'll just die. I need to put him in like a box or something. 600. Yeah, there we go. Now he's in the box. We have contained our Goomba, or Goober, so that we can kill him. Wait, what? He just jumped. Why? What? I know he has a jump sound in him, but like... How? He doesn't have What is this? Oh no, that's his speed, which we need to lower. Why is he jumping? That's not normal. I'm gonna watch him now. I'm gonna see what he does. Well, also, this isn't... Oh, of course it's not working, because I didn't properly use the... I didn't even link it to the function. Amateur mistake that everybody makes regardless. Now we can kill the Goomba. He kept moving. Why did it... Oh, it's because I forgot to disable the script. And also, I want Mario to jump. So, there's an event inside of Mario called Cause Jump. I've never actually fired this function, so I don't know if it works. But it should. So let's see what happens. I still don't know why he jumps. I don't know why he does that. Well, that was uneventful, if anything. Can I move? I can't even move these. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Move. Just delete the rest of them. I need to do a proper test to this guy. He hardly jumps at all. I don't see it. I don't understand. Let's see what happens here. There we go. That's perfect. So if I add a bunch of Goombas, or Goobers, let's see. Let's make this 400. There. Let's see if we can make like a proper, let's see if we can bounce twice. Let's see if this works. No! So gravity seems a bit weak. Why does gravity seem so weak? Has it always been like this? I'm gonna change it. I don't like it. So you'll notice they don't kill me right now. And that is because I don't have anything programmed for Mario's death. Now, I had an idea. Really? It's just the right... It's just the right height so I can't break that block. Fantastic. Well, I'm quite happy with everything. This works. So I need to program a way for Mario to die before I can make anything have the ability to kill him. So, I need to decide what it's going to look like when Mario dies. Now, I had an idea that I want multiple different ways that he will die when the time comes. So, I'm going to create a really messy and terrible script system to do this. And I'm gonna make a folder. I'm gonna name it deaths. And then inside of Mario, I'm going to put inside, I guess, the jump script. So I'm gonna make a new event. And I'm gonna make this kill Mario. 3. Yeah, why not? And then, oh, I don't have anything. I don't even have a reset screen. I'm gonna have to make a reset screen. Fantastic. I forgot how many things I have to do to make dying work in this game. Alright, now I also need to, I am gonna save this. And then I'm going to make a death screen. So I'm just gonna grab this and I'm gonna put it in lighting. What on earth? I must have accidentally put the Mario decal. You know what? I'm leaving it. That's fine with me. I have no problems about that. Why is this here? Oh, I've moved it. That's what's going on. What? Why would you make it work like that? It doesn't need lives or anything, because people can just keep playing. And then I'll put this in lighting. Put this back in here. Now I need to make another script. A local script. I'm gonna name it Start Script. I'm making this all really janky, but that's okay. I need a death sound. I'm gonna make an easy death. I'm just gonna make an explosion. Okay. This is kind of nice. Yep, wonderful. It was Roblox. Nope. That's what we're using. I want there to be an explosion, so I'm gonna go to images, and I want a nice mushroom cloud is what I want. So let's see what happens. I think everything is in place. So I don't want to hit him. I've forgotten something. I've missed something. There we go. Let's see if this works. That's not how it's supposed to work. No. No, it is not. I need to change this to a 5. That should solve the problem. Although that was quite hilarious. Let's see. Why did it play it twice? Oh, because it's still not long enough. I need to make it. There, that's better. So there's that. Okay, Mario dies. Actually, that was a long time for it to take before he respawns. So I need to find... What is it, here? Where it waits for? Nah, wait 2. 4 is too long. And then I think we'll have our Goomba created, which, I mean, that only took an obscenely long amount of time. I can still move as well. That's not supposed to be a thing. Let's see if this works. We gotta stop Mario in his tracks so that he can't move around while he's still in explosion. There we go. Perfect. It creates tons of errors, but that doesn't matter. Because we removed this script anyway. We removed this whole world. Yeah, this is exactly how Mario should be. Excellent. All right. Next on my list, I have a list of things to add. A block that breaks. I guess, yeah. We probably should make a block that breaks. Do we need to make it so that it only breaks when Mario's big? Because then we need to make a mushroom. Alright, so I've realized that for the next few things I want to do, I need to have a powered-up Mario. So we need to make a Super Shroom. Looks so stupid. Let's get rid of the mouth. Just completely. That does not look anything like a Super Shroom, which was kind of the goal. But this is too far. This is just... It just looks like a tiny globe, which is not what I wanted. Maybe that's what we should do. Maybe we should make it something completely different. This is Bootleg Mario. This isn't our own game. I actually really like that. I think that looks pretty decent. This will be the power-up. Because our mushroom ended up just looking like a planet. No, I need to get to... and you'll notice I'm not redoing all of the sprites for Mario because I don't want to. That would be a lot of work, but I think I've got a solution that will solve this problem. Alright, so I'm back. I was also going to re-upload the Goomba because it looked like it might have gotten moderated, but then it said it didn't get moderated, so I have no idea why it's not appearing. But it's just not. It's just decided, nah, not interested. Alright, so I'm actually going to make the mushroom out of a copy of the Goomba. Or it's not a mushroom, it's a potion. And the potion is... This should be easy enough. Just gotta copy the ID. Change this. So we're gonna play the coin sound. We don't want coin sound. We need, once again, to delve into the dark realms of Roblox Audio. Power up. Oh, it's just gonna be songs. Yep. Nope. What the heck? No. That's a bit extreme. Let's do the Let's see if this will work. No. 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 So close. It's Ocarina of Time, but no. Nope. And it's just into songs called Open. How helpful. What if I put in Zelda chest? Too long. Zelda meme. No, nope, nope, nope. I'm just gonna put in meme sound. Let's see. Let's see what kind of meme sounds we can put in.
Suck.
This was a mistake. There's not gonna be anything. Nothing. That's what. Perfect. This is what we're gonna do. No! That's not what the Roblox Sound system. Ah, what a wonderful place. Oh, I need a sound of a crunch. I mean, that's basic. It's onomatopoeia. It should be quite clear what I want when I type crunch into the audio system. Let's see. What's the first option? That's not a crunch. Crunch. That's not what I'm looking for. That's still not what I'm looking for. Not only are these sounds not what I'm looking for, they're in the wrong category of sound. Fine. This is the first one we've found that was legitimate. Oh my gosh. It's all by Roblox, and I can if it's by Roblox, it's almost always sound. What's this? That's what we're gonna have to go with. That's what we're gonna have to go with. It's our only option. Can I make it slower? I'm gonna make it loud as well. Perfect! That's exactly what we want. And once we've done this, what we need to do is we need to, where is it? I need to change the size of Mario. And there's that. Let's see if this makes a shroom that works. I have a feeling I missed a step. But we'll find out. The Goomba took the shroom. That's not okay. You can't have it. It's not for you. Okay, just a second. If it's touch general, no. You still don't get to do it. If it's touch general, no. Nope. And nope. Or that. There. Let's try it now. I'm actually glad that the physics are working, that they're able to bounce around in there together without, like, clipping through the walls. Oh. I've died. Nope, I missed something. It's line 38. And let's see the moment of truth. Nope, I'm just gone. Now it's at line 35. It already made it past line 35. Index field parent, a nil value. Why is it the parent a nil value? It shouldn't be. What is wrong? It's having trouble doing stuff that it's already done. It's having a different error every time I run it. Now it's a problem on line 39. What? See what error it gives us this time. Oh, none! No errors! He's now Big Mario. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Oh, and I even have his feet aligned right. That's nice. So we've made a shroom. This is good. This is very good. We've made a shroom. We've made a Goomba. I've just realized that now the death doesn't work because once he's big, he has an extra life, so he can't die. Or we could just leave it. We could just make it so that he dies anyway. Let's see, how hard would it be to change? Where is death? There! That should work. Let's see now if this works. What? We've already solved this. There shouldn't be a problem. Jump script, line 47. What do you mean, parents in no vows? What? Script? It's right there. Parent is large. It's right. Why is it not happy? I don't understand. I've never had a problem like this before. Is it like the spirit of Nintendo is come to form? Now it works. And now... No! No! Is that what's supposed to happen? That's not how that's supposed to work. That's not how that's supposed to work. No! Stupid Goomba. What did I do wrong? Is that out? No! Did I forget to make it so that... What? What's its problem? Is large equals false? Wait, why is that there? No wonder it's mad. Wonderful. Let's see. I think now it'll understand that Mario should not do that. And it's invincible for a short amount of time. And we can just do this over and over and over again. Except now I'll just kill him. And now I can reach that block. Excellent. Mario, you're champion. You did it. Glorious. Glorious Mario. Okay. This is actually... I'm actually impressed. That was probably one of the harder things that I had to do, is make the shroom I felt, so I'm surprised that went as smoothly, if you want to call it smoothly, as it did. So we have a shroom, so now I need to make a block that he can break. So let's create a new image. I'm gonna make a breakable block, and when we're at it, we're gonna go 2 in 1. We're going to make a breakable block, which is generally bricks, and then we're going to make a block that can't be broken, just to generally make the level out of. Because right now we're just using white squares, and that's not really what we want. I'm trying to think of a fun way to put a spin on bricks, but they're kind of boring. Like, they're very boring. I can't think of how to make them interesting. Kind of boring, but that's okay. Let's create another... I don't know what I'm doing. How you're not watching this hoping or expecting me to know what I'm doing. You know what? That isn't half bad. I can make an entire level out of these. This will be good. This will be good. All right, so I'm gonna upload these and I will be back. So, this should be fairly simple. I'm just gonna take the item block, copy paste him, and and then just name him block. And just take all of the scripts out of him. And now it's just a block, and then I can just go to my images, and for tile, and copy the asset ID, and there we go, we got a block. Where is it? There. Cool. Very cool. And I have no idea how to make textures in Roblox tile, and I've never seen anybody else do it either, so I'm just guessing that it's not possible. Regardless, we're gonna see. Let's see. This is bricks. Yeah, and then this will be the blue bricks. Copy asset ID, and there we go. Hey, that doesn't look too bad. Okay, so I'm going to delete. Let me delete it. These three, and I'm going to instead grab this. Let's see. Actually, so what I'm going to create a frame. And I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it, but this is how I'm going to do it. And I'm going to create a frame, and I'm realizing something. So this is a bit zoomed in for Mario. I think you'll agree. It is a bit too close. So I'm going to start resizing everything I have here so that it's more Mario size. There we go. Now it's looking like a proper Mario level. Okay. So there, we've got that, and then I'm just going to add a... What's it called? It's called a grid. UI grid layout. No, cell size is 50 by 50. And there's 0 cell padding. There we go. And now I should be able to... Yeah! This won't cause any lag, right? This is how you're supposed to do it, I think. That's not inefficient or stupid at all. Yeah, that's perfect. That's good. All right. Let's give this a try now. This is all of our stuff. I'm going to save it. This is all of our stuff together, resized. Let's see how many bugs we have to deal with. What on earth have they done? Why is everything moved? Why is the Goomba flying? And this still has a random error that appears only sometimes. Just sometimes it's just like, nah. We're just gonna kill you. You're just gonna die. Sorry. Let's see. This is frustrating. I didn't actually put any code inside of this block, and I realized I probably should have. So, let's see. We need a... We've got to do it again. We've got to delve back into the world of Roblox Audio. Normally, I wouldn't use this much audio from the Roblox library, but because this is just a quick project,
Auto
I figure I
shutdown
might as well.
initiated. Auto shutdown cancelled.
Boss!
No. No. That's Roblox. I'm not even going to try. It's all Roblox. Every last one.
Warning. Reactor core destroyed. Server...
Wonderful. Destroy machine. Krypton destroyed. I guess it didn't happen. Okay. Just break. Nope, nope, it's all songs. No, it's Roblox. Breaks. Not breaks. Smash. Anything. No. It's Roblox. No.
was a beautiful...
No. There's just smashing windshield. Oh my goodness. You can't do that. Glass smash. Surely you'd think, oh, that's not a song. Nope, it's a song. This is just... Fine, about... No, you can't put in pop. You're like, oh, I like a pop, like a balloon. But no, it's just... Wait. I'm surprised. I'm surprised that there's actually pop sounds, because you'd think it would just be pop music. No, it's about... Well, this is a bit extreme. I don't need... Just one. Thank you. No, it's more than one. Just need one... No. Yeah, that's what we're gonna have to use. Yep, that's it. That's our soundbite. It doesn't fit very well, but it'll do. It's just Bootleg Mario. Let's see what happens. Oh, I didn't change the coins. Also, this is not in the right spot. It's kind of working. I've got to do some general debugging and sorting things out. And I'll be back when I am done with that. Alright, that took a while. I'm back, and I've fixed all of the bugs I currently know of, at least all of the important ones. There's still some errors that get thrown when random things happen, but they're always for items that are in the process of being removed. And although I would normally not leave problems like that in a game, I'll leave them in this one, because it's Bootleg Mario, and I don't really care. If it's not causing gameplay problems, I don't care. So... you'll see that when Mario walks to the left, now he continues staring at the left, which wasn't happening before. So that was a bug. You'll also notice that the coins are now properly aligned. That was, I mean, obviously enough, I know how to fix that, but that was a problem. And you'll also notice that I can now get the thing constantly. Whoa, wait a minute. I've just found another bug. I can control how fast the Goomba sprints. If I were to run from the Goomba, it doesn't matter because he'll just chase me faster. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I'll fix that real quick. There we go. That should solve the problem. Yep, oh, this... Well, I've solved it for the Goomba, but, I have not solved it for the potion. So now I have to solve it for the potion as well. It should be fixed for both things. Alright, now I had a list of things I wanted to add to this, and considering how long this video's gone on, I think I'm going to stick with these main items. I think anything else would be pretty obvious as to how I would make it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to finish up sort of the package the game comes in. I'm going to need to make a level, but before I do that, there's two things I want to do. I need to make the side-scrolling script. Goodness me. I need to make the script that makes it side-scroll, which shouldn't be too hard, and I need to make the intro, because I want it to have an intro screen. It'll be very basic. It would just be like, have a play button or something, and you press it, and then it takes you in. But to do that, I'm going to need to make, like, an image and a title for the game. So, just mostly some... I mean, I want to say finishing touches, but you can't really say finishing touches when the game is currently in an almost completely unplayable state. So, not quite finishing touches, but some, some of the final aspects that we have to throw in to make this playable and actually interesting. That'll do. Yeah, sure, let's test this and see if it works. Everything's about to go wrong. Yep, it's already mad. Coin sound is not a valid member of Screen GUI. None of these things are a valid member of Screen GUI. There we go. Everything's back to normal. So it looks like... Oh my goodness. That actually is really cool. Oof. Ouch. Okay. Wait, I'm not dead. Oh, that's why. Because it's not resetting my camera when I fall. Yeah, let's see if this works. The score! The score is just staying there. There we go. This is perfect. Something's so weird about those numbers just staying there. Like, yep. That's what we do. Okay, I need to put the score somewhere else. Nope. Score 1 is not a valid member frame. Everything else is doing okay, but just not the points. So that leaves us exclusively with the title screen, and now we have to think of a title. And I have honestly no idea what to make it. So I'm going to go new, and I'm just going to make it like a full-on thing and then zoom in. Because I really have no idea. Should we call him Wario? Alright, just a second. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to do a little bit of research and brainstorming on what we should call our bootleg Mario game. Okay, so when you Google Mario, you just get like a picture of a box of Oreos, but they say Mario, and somebody's taken all the filling out of the center of the Oreos, and they've placed it in the center row, and then the sides are lined with all of the cookie pieces, and then they like scoop the middle out of the center row and put it in the Oreo. It's the Morio, and then you like choose your own size. It's like an internet joke. And besides that, I didn't find anything else, so I figured that is actually a decent thing. That's what we're going to call our bootleg Mario, is Morio. Alright, here we go. Mario. Adventures in a cool place. This will be our cover for the game. And I'm actually decently pleased with how it turned out. Let's see. Now I'm going to upload it. And we'll get started making the start screen. It's quite exciting, actually. Alright, I just changed this so that it removes the level. We gotta work on our final screen. I've got the decal uploaded. Next thing it will do is it will play the song. So this is it. The one time that we actually need an obscenely large library of music from which to find our a song asset. Like, we actually need a song. This is the one time that the Roblox thing will work. So we just need to think of what we want to search for to find a song. I'm just going to put in game. Let's see what happens. Game on. Nope. I'm just going to go with Roblox music because I know it's royalty free. Nope. 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 Okay, what if I put in platformer? Nope. Okay, that's an actual soundbite by Roblox. I'm surprised. Platform. Computing platform. Nope. Platform game. What? Why? I don't dislike it, but it's not what we're looking for. It's another thing. All of those are actual. Huh. Wouldn't you know it? Oh my goodness, that's intense. Okay. Not what I'm looking for. No. Nope. Ethnic platform game. Okay. Symphonic platform game. How many of the same things? Okay. Jumping. Jump. What if I just do 8-bit? 8-bit special. No, okay. Roblox Anthem 8-bit. Goodness. I'm not making knockoff River City Ransom. Although it's not a bad idea. Ah. That's pretty close to what we want. We're gonna save it. Nope. All of these are 8-bit dubstep. Whoa. Okay. I'm surprised at how many things there are here that aren't by Roblox. No. Are there any others? Okay, let's see this. What if I increase its speed? It's like twice as fast. Yeah, I think this is what we're looking for. It's perfect! We got our knockoff Mario, we got our knockoff Mario music. We got our crazy explosion when you die. When you fall out of the world, it waits. It waits to make sure that you have that you have just decreased the size. It's just like not. Big Mario can just fall into oblivion and he doesn't die, but you gotta wait. You gotta wait till he levels down. Also, I want to move this. Finally, I was able to grab it and get it out of the way. All right. So what am I going to do now? Well, you've seen how I put together all of the people and all of the pretty much everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of that knowledge together, and I'm going to make a level that can be played. So I'm going to do all of this in a time lapse. I might add a few more items, but mostly I'm just going to put together a level about the size of the original Super Mario Bros. World 1-1, with probably my own little quirks and, you know, fun little stuff thrown in there. And I think that it'll be quite fun. So I will get started on that in just a moment, and then we'll check out our finished product of a game. Really? Really? Wow. Okay. Alright. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. We have the finished Mario Adventures in a Cool Place. I finished up the level. I built the level. I added some decorations like bushes. I added the coins. I added a couple more sprites and things that you'll see when we do our playtest. I did lots of bug fixing. I did a ton of optimizing so that it runs with a lot less lag than it used to. The chainsaws are causing a whole big problem because there's chainsaws now. There's also it should be noted that this place is available to play. If you want to play it, it's on my profile, and a link to it will be in the description. Currently it only works on PC. I only have PC controls with it, but I might add support for other controls in the future. I don't know if there's a demand for it, but yeah, it should be in the description. You can access this place. It's just the WAS keys, or W, A, and D to move are the keys, because W is up, A is left, D is right. Shift is sprint, and then, yeah, W is up, which is jump, and space is also jump. And I think that's all there is for controls. So, another thing I added was deaths. Remember I said I wanted to add multiple deaths types in. So, I've done it. If we let this Goomba kill us, we'll die in a random way. I'll show one more. Hopefully I can make it through the level on my first try. But I'll show one more death intentionally. Okay. So that's, I don't know why, that's my favorite. So that, we have random deaths. There aren't too many of them. Those are the two main ones I added, and I added one other one. And you'll start to see parts of the level that now exist. Let's see. So this Mario is not quite the forgiving type. It's a bit difficult. Oh, I've already lost my life. I made it. Alright. Made it to the next part. Inside of this block is...
I'm gonna kill you.
Dr. Phil? Alright. I made it without having to do the jumping puzzle. The jumping puzzle is not fun. No, I got killed by a... I didn't think that was possible. But it's too late now. I'm not fixing it. Gotta be wary of Goombas, even if you've slain them. No! Oh. It's the camera curse. I can't do it now because I'm on camera. No! I didn't jump! No! No! I made it the first time. You all saw it. I made it first try, and now I can't do it again. Because I was killed by the Goomba that was already dead. I made it. I'm not gonna summon Dr. Phil this time. Oh yeah, speed running this. I won't let the dead Goomba kill me. Alright, here we go. I made it here as Big Mario. Whoa, okay. This is kind of the boss. You've got to escape. No! After this is a good thing. No! That's it! That's the end! I was so close! No, Oh, that was close. Dang it. No. I intentionally added this because it's one of, in my opinion, the most difficult types of puzzles. I hate these. Can I make it over? I don't think I can. Oh, no, I can. Okay, excellent. Here we go. Thanks for playing. Mario's adventure is over. So, we finished the game. If we jump off of here, we'll merely die. So I want to thank everyone for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this little coding adventure. It was pretty long-winded, actually. But it was fun, and I'm really happy with what we ended up with. As ridiculous looking as it may be. Alright, and I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all later.